The best smart devices for live streaming. Best camera for live streaming, Sony ZV-1 II. A compact camera that features 4K video, a flip-out screen, advanced autofocus, and USB streaming in a lightweight, travel-friendly design. It's a favorite. The image quality is top-notch, and it comes with a multi-directional microphone for streaming on the move. Best microphone for streamers, Blue Yeti. A well-known plug-and-play with no extra software necessary, it has 4 pickup patterns, so it's flexible whether you're streaming solo, doing interviews, or capturing ambient sound. The built-in LED meter helps monitor your levels on the fly. Best lighting for live streaming, Elgato Key Light. Ideal for streamers, the light mounts to your desk via a clamp and connects wirelessly to your PC or phone using Wi-Fi. You can control brightness and color temperature for warm or cool lighting. It's bright enough to replace a softbox. Top capture card, Elgato HD 60X. This external capture card lets you stream or record 1080p at 60 frames per second while passing through up to 4K 60 HDR10 to your monitor. It supports VRR and works with both PCs and consoles. Smart accessories for streamers, Elgato Stream Deck MK2. With 15 customizable buttons, you can assign actions like switching scenes, muting your mic, or sending messages in chat. It speeds up your workflow and helps avoid mistakes midstream. You can also create folders and multi-actions for advanced control. Headphones and audio monitors, Audio-Technica AT-HM50X. These studio-grade headphones, featuring crystal-clear sound and deep bass, are closed back, which blocks out background noise and prevents microphone bleed. They're comfortable for long sessions and trusted by audio pros. Smartphones more than just accessories, iPhone 15 Pro. This phone shoots 4K 60 video with cinematic stabilization, making it a strong option as a streaming camera. Apps like Camo turn it into a webcam, and you can also use it as a second monitor or portable control deck. Extra tools that make a difference, TP-Link. Deco XE75 Mesh Wi-Fi 6E. Buffering ruins streams. This mesh system offers fast, stable Wi-Fi across your space, with support for 6 GHz bandwidth. When used with Roku devices, it can significantly improve your streaming experience by providing faster speeds, reduced buffering, and more reliable connections throughout your home.
Go to GearBrain for more information.